A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. In today's class, we are start revising chapter 2nd of your book, Hardware and Softwares. So first of all, let's recall what are hardwares and what are softwares. So hardware, computer parts which we can see or touch are called hardware parts, and softwares are those parts of computer which we cannot see, we can not touch, are called software parts. Okay, we can define software in another definition, like software is a set of program or set of instruction, okay, which is given to the computer for doing any task. Okay, so about softwares we will discuss later. Today we will discuss about hardware parts. Okay, so as I told you that hardware are the parts of computer which you can see or touch. There are some parts which are outside the computer, you can directly see them, like keyboard, monitor, mouse. All these parts you can see directly and you can directly touch them. And there are some hardware parts which are inside the computer means inside the CPU box. Okay, you all have seen the CPU box. Okay, we can touch the CPU directly, but there are some hardware parts which are inside the CPU, like hard disk in which the data is saved. So hard disk is a hardware part. You can see or touch the hard disk, but it is not outside the computer, it is inside the CPU. Okay, so directly we can't see, but if we will open the CPU cabinet, we can see that hard disk and we can touch it. Okay, so there are many hardware parts in computer, and all these hardware parts are divided into three categories. Okay, first is input devices, second is output device, and third storage devices. Okay, so today we will discuss about input devices. Okay, so computer hardware parts which are used for taking input from the user are called input devices. Like, as input we can give any text as an input, we can give any picture as input we can give any sound. Okay, as input you can give any instruction. Okay, so for accepting all these different types of inputs, different input devices are used. Okay, you all knows very well about keyboard and mouse, or you all knows that if you want to type any text, or if you want to enter any data in computer in the form of text or numbers, so for that we use keyboards. Okay, and for giving instructions we use a pointing device called mouse. Okay, and there are some other input devices like a trackball. Okay, so the trackball, it is used to move the pointer on the screen. Okay, it has a ball. With the help of your fingers you can roll that ball and you can move the pointer. Another is microphone. So microphone is used to record your voice or any other kind of sound in computer system. And scanner is used if you want to copy any image or any document in the form of image. So using a scanner you can make copy of that picture or document, and it is saved inside your computer system. Okay, another input device is web camera. It is basically used to share pictures. If you want to make a video call with your friends over internet, okay, so for that you need a web camera in your computer system. Okay, and light pen is a very special input device. Okay, it looks like a real pen and it is used with a special pad. If you write anything on that pad with the help of light pen, you can see the thing on monitor. Okay, last is joystick. Joystick are a special input device which is used for playing games. Okay, with the help of joystick in the game you can move the things left, right, top, down. Okay, so that's all about input devices. In the next class we will discuss about output devices and storage devices. Okay, so students, revise these topics which we have discussed right now and read about output and storage devices. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.